Tivoli Gardens defender Jabor Johnson has been charged with the shooting of a St. Thomas-based businessman in Leith Hall earlier this month. Johnson, who was released by Arnett Gardens at the end of the 2018-2019 National Premier League season, has a deal with Tivoli Gardens until the summer of 2021. Senior Superintendent and Head of the Corporate Communications Unit of the JCF, Stephanie Lindsay, gives the latest on the 29-year-old Johnson, along with his co-accused, after the seizure of two high-powered weapons.
As a result of the investigation, the police charged 5 persons in connection with the murder. Among those charged are Jabor Johnson and 4 other co-accused. They were charged for various offenses to include conspiracy to murder, illegal possession of firearm, shooting with intent, and murder. So they are booked to appear in court on Friday in St. Thomas, and the investigation continues. So the names of the other persons are being withheld at this time because they are continuing the investigation. So there are likely to be some more processes. So they have not yet named all the persons involved just yet.